Welcome on in, family. That's what it is. Cribs here, Wald here. What's up, Cribs?
What's up, Walt? How are you?
Good, brother. Good. So we got the beard trends going this month, right? And it's kind of mid-month. Usually we unbox the beginning of the month, but we couldn't get all the beard trend guys together for a particular date and time. And then one of them, Kaz, fell on something, got a concussion, so he's been out of commission. So we don't have Kaz. Patrick, we don't really know what's going on. And so we're like, you know what? We got to get this review. We got to get this unboxing and first impressions out for Nicholas Beardworks. So you and I jumped in here on your lunch break today, and we're going to show everybody that it's Nicholas Beardworks month.
Ooh.
For the beard trend.
Ooh, I'm so excited for this.
Me too, man.
Oh.
Me too.
It was just time to put up or shut up, man.
Yeah, we got to get these videos out for these wonderful companies that are helping us out with beard trends, and that we get to help out with beard trends. So
we have a responsibility to support and get this stuff out and show off these companies that love us enough to send us this stuff out to promote.
Plus, I've had this for like 3 weeks, and I cannot wait any longer. Like, it's been sitting here waiting for me to open. And Nicholas Beardworks is one of my favorites. So, you ready to slice this thing open?
Let's go, dude. I can't wait anymore.
I can't either. It's been entirely too.
Oh, and I love Nicholas Beardworks. Alex's stuff is amazing.
I love his presentation, his design, his sense.
Show the people.
Oh, I got more peanuts than you, but man, these things. I love the way he puts these in these baggies like this.
Oh,
it's amazing.
How cool is that?
Little sticker to seal it shut. Old newspaper. Oh, I asked.
What do you got?
In particular.
Here, I'm going to open this one.
I asked him for this one in particular. Oh, look! What do you got?
Oh,
maybe I have one like that.
Hey,
Dark Side. Oh, all right. So I have Dark Side right here as well.
Yes.
Can we get some impressions?
Amazing.
Pump tops that you can put in here. You grab this little wax tab, you pull it all the way around. Got the garbage. Now, Dark Side, I don't see a scent profile, so I know it's one of his newer ones. He said it was super complex and smells like a
spicy
or yeah.
What? That is so different.
It's almost like pickling seasoning.
What is that?
I don't know. Now, I know he said it changes when it gets in beard.
And after it's warmed up. Well, that's not this time right now, so I really want to warm this stuff up.
Yeah, I'm not doing it right now. I don't want to get... It's a strong scent. I can tell it's a strong scent, and I don't want it invading the rest of this.
Look at that, y'all.
You got the skull with the hand-dipped wax. He hand-dips all of this stuff to order.
Everything.
I got a bag of samples here. Man, I got everything. Oh, oud wood, Moroccan wood. I don't know. There's so many in here. I can't go through all those.
Good gravy.
That is a lot of good stuff. I see one that says summer 2020. I'm interested in that.
Moroccan wood, oud. Oh, yeah, 2020.
What is Nicholas doing over here?
Wow. Alex just blew this away, stepped this game up completely. Okay,
yeah,
let's go in.
He's got this, man. This guy is insane. These papers just drive me nuts. I love these things. This is a good presentation.
Look at that.
So that looks like his liquid butter or his pump butter pump.
Made to order.
That's a butter, right?
That is a liquid butter, y'all. Wow.
What scent is it?
Mine's Legatus.
Mine's Royal Oud.
Is this your, hey, is this your first one?
No, I've had it before. I love this, and I asked him for it in that because I'm out. And I absolutely adore that scent.
Yeah.
It's like one of my favorite scents there is. What is this? I have never seen him do this before. He put the wax seal on the balm.
Oh, man.
That is awesome looking.
That's definitely liquid butter, dude.
Yeah, it's that pump butter.
Oh.
It's butter that you can pump out with a squirter pump.
Yeah, and it's amazing. It's not oily at all. Highly conditioning. And this is the pump top that comes with it. Little bit different than on the oils. The pump tops, what I like about it is they, you don't have to open it up and make your fragrances get weaker or let the air get inside of it. Let's just tap into this stuff. Let's just open them up. Ready?
Here you get a balm in the silver tin. You got that garbage wrap around it.
Ooh, that is cool. That's something new.
I love how he puts his ingredients on this label on the inside here. To me, that's just nobody else does that. It's awesome.
No. Nobody else does anything like Alex.
No. We still got one of the best presentations in the game all the way around. One of the best scent profiles. One of the best feels in beard. I need to get him on the FRS scale is what I need to do.
Yeah, absolutely you do. Oh,
because I have a feeling he would be pretty darn high.
Look at those. Look at that craftsmanship.
Oh, my goodness.
Imperial Myrrh.
Gourmet Wild Cherry. Good night.
Oh, yeah. That's an amazing thing.
Awesome. Ooh, Gourmet Wild Cherry. That's my jam.
Yeah.
Give me some Gourmet Wild Cherry jam.
All right. Oh, peanuts all over the place. Garbage. Let's just get that out of here.
This dark side is like very earthy, a little bit of spice to it. What is that?
Oh, my Lord.
Yeah, I have that too right here. I was like, what is this?
Come on.
Like this is, I wonder what that is.
Look at Legatus.
I have mine in Royal Oud.
Oh.
So you got these awesome fingerprinty bottles.
Silver with the black top. Raider Nation, baby. Raider Nation. I think that's a special love right there. I got some love from Alex.
I gave you some love today when I was at Walmart and couldn't get any toilet paper. I bought some Raider fabric and cut it into squares to wipe with.
Of course you did. That was convenient.
It's the only one they had in stock. Everything else was sold out. Nobody wanted to buy the Raiders.
See what we got here. Oh my Lord! It's a pull top.
Oh my Atlanta! This is so good.
It's a pull top.
This is amazing.
Wow, brother.
That's what I got, man. I am. Oh wait, I got one more. I got the oil for Gourmet Wild Cherry.
Oh,
I should see.
I've got the oil in Wild Cherry.
Oh my goodness, that is so good. Oh man, so
okay.
Good.
So let's do this. Get all these pumpers out. So that is for, I'm going to go ahead and just open everything up so people can just get the enjoyment of what this is like. And it's absolutely worth the money. I hear a lot of garbage about people saying it's too expensive. If you have that kind of mentality, you are not experiencing a lot of the gifts and the goodies that this beard community has. Don't price shop.
No,
don't sleep on this.
It's 2 ounces.
Yeah.
So you got to keep that in mind.
Oh my Lord.
Bottles. Could he do it with probably, but that's not as cool.
Imperial Myrrh
Yeah, I don't know if
in
I
the
like
liquid
that.
butter. Oh, Imperial Myrrh is amazing. Imperial Myrrh in the oil. I got the dark side, kind of like you, in the oil.
I still haven't figured out that scent.
I haven't either. I'm gonna have to rock it and see what it is. But that has, to me, it's a spicy scent to it. I don't know what it is,
It's
but
earthy
it definitely catches me off guard. Oh, yeah, that is cool, isn't it? Talk about some ingredients too. Here, let me just read off this balm.
Do it.
Jojoba oil, argan oil, lanolin, cocoa butter, sea buckthorn oil, rosehip oil, pumpkin seed oil, cocoa butter, mango butter, shea butter, fractionated coconut oil, castor oil, almond oil, beeswax on the very end, sunflower wax, bayberry wax, spruce sap, essential oils, vitamin E. You talk about some ingredients. I mean,
Amazing ingredients. Amazing.
look at that.
And that color is amazing.
Oh, it's so good. Looks
It
like
looks
a dang
like
honeycomb.
he doesn't put ingredients on the liquid butter, it doesn't look like anymore. Maybe he never
No.
did.
Screw top.
Jojoba oil, argan oil, sea buckhorn oil, rosehip oil, pumpkin seed oil, wheat germ oil, avocado oil, fractionated coconut oil, apricot, almond, castor, essential, tocopherol. My goodness, this is a carrier blend.
Right?
About the max you want to get with carrier oils, but man, he uses some good ones.
So beneficial too. Oh, God, this is going to be amazing. So I think what we'll do on our reviews is, of course, we're going to write down and tell you what the scent profiles are. But we'll let you know about that, family. But I'm telling you what a load. What is your first impressions of this load that this Alex sent us?
Well, I've had Nicholas Beardworks before, so I was, I think it would have been more beneficial for somebody that hasn't had it before because I knew what to expect when I opened it. But it's so crazy when you see his presentation, how he bottles things up, those little paper wrappers that come around the oils, the way he hand dips all these in wax and makes these wax seals and this different stuff. But beyond that, the scent profiles that this guy creates are unlike any other scent profiles out there. Nobody has scent profiles like these. Even when you talk about his oud, there's not another oud out there like this. When you talk about his gourmet wild cherry, there's not a cherry scent out there like this. This isn't a sweet maraschino cherry. This is a gourmet wild cherry. It's something you'd find in the woods or something like that, So he does really good with this stuff. He's a great guy. How can you not like these bottles with the wax on them? It just looks awesome. So my first impressions, man, I'm stunned with Nicholas Beardworks again. Every time I go back to him, this is about the third or fourth time, I'm just blown away every single time. And then you move on and you start doing other things and you kind of forget about it. And then you go back to him and you're just like, oh, he's got it. Like this is the best presentation in the game.
Yep. Gourmet.
Hands
just
down.
like you said.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that on the reviews, and I've always thought this, and I won't delve into it, but I'm going to say it again. I have to, Tyson. There are companies that you get that it gives you that fix of that fast food and that junk food. The French fries and the Big Macs and the really good French fries that you have that, you have that craving and boy, it fills you up and it's good. But then when you're ready for that steak, that lobster with that really high end like a beer, an IPA, it's a step above everybody else with the ingredients that he puts in it, the love that he puts in it, and the benefits of your beard. So gourmet all the way.
Absolutely. It's fantastic. So, but I think that's about it. Hopefully we can get Kaz and Patrick to do their unboxings here. But if not, all four of us guys will be back at the end of the month for the Beard Trends to give you all four of our opinions on the testing of this, what we think for the feel, what we think for the scent. And then we're going to have a discount code for you on the live stream, the Beard Trends live stream, which will be coming at the end of the month. So stay tuned to all of our channels on the Beard Trend Reviewers here. Stay tuned. We'll let you know during the reviews when the live stream is going to be, most likely a Saturday or Sunday at the end of the month. And then you guys get a discount code. We're probably going to have a giveaway, something along those lines. So final words, Swag, before we get off of here.
I'm very thankful and I'm very blown away, Alex. I think you went above and beyond with the products that you sent us, even though that we have both tried your products before and absolutely support and love your products. What you have done for this Beard Trend Reviewers is outstanding, and I thank you for that. We love you, guys. We're proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them. Go tell somebody you're proud of them. Forgive somebody, and then go ask forgiveness. That's what I got, Tyson.
All right. Perfect way to end this. So for Swag, I am Tyson, and God bless you all.